Welcome to a modern instant noodles manufacturing factory. Today, we'll take you through the complete step-by-step process of how simple wheat flour is transformed into the famous instant noodles found in kitchens around the world. The journey begins when large trucks arrive at the factory, carrying bags of high-quality wheat flour. Workers unload the bags, and the flour immediately enters a stainless steel sieving machine that removes lumps and impurities, ensuring a clean, smooth ingredient for production. Next, the flour is transferred into a massive mixing tank. Here, precise amounts of water, salt, and edible oil are added. The industrial dough mixer blends everything together, creating a firm dough that is perfect for noodle making. After mixing, the dough moves into a kneading machine, which presses and stretches it into a consistent texture. The dough then rests inside controlled fermentation tanks, allowing it to settle and develop elasticity. This resting stage is crucial for smooth and springy noodles. Once rested, the dough passes through a series of heavy rollers that flatten it into long, even sheets. These sheets become thinner and thinner as they move through multiple roller stages. The flattened dough then enters the noodle shaping section. A special cutter stamps the signature wavy noodle pattern that instant noodles are known for. Another cutting blade slices the dough into uniform noodle strands. These strands are automatically folded into perfect rectangular noodle blocks. From here, the raw noodle blocks travel toward the steaming tunnel. Inside the tunnel, the noodles are steamed at a precise temperature to partially cook them and lock in the texture. As the blocks exit the steamer, they move toward the drying section. In many factories, the next stage is deep frying. Noodle blocks enter a large hot oil fryer where they are cooked for just a few seconds. The rapid frying removes moisture and gives the noodles their light and crispy structure. Excess oil drains off as the noodles move on the conveyor. Some factories use air drying instead of frying. In this method, hot air tunnels dry the noodles without using any oil, creating a healthier noodle option. After drying, workers perform a quick quality check to ensure the noodles have the right firmness and shape. Now the noodle blocks are ready for packaging. Meanwhile, seasoning sachets are produced in a separate line. Spices, flavor powders, and dehydrated vegetables are measured and packed into small packets. At the filling station, the noodle blocks drop into pouches through automated filling nozzles. A seasoning sachet is added into each pouch. Then a heat sealing machine closes the pouches tightly, locking in freshness and flavor. The sealed noodle packs move toward the packing line. Robotic arms place them into cardboard boxes, and a box sealing machine tapes the boxes securely. Each box receives a printed batch number and expiry date. Finally, forklifts move the finished cartons into the warehouse storage racks. From here, instant noodles are shipped to supermarkets and stores across the world. This is the complete journey of how instant noodles are made, from simple wheat flour to the delicious, ready-to-cook noodles enjoyed by millions every day.